Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. What kind of magic is this? Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you guys so much for the wonderful way that you show up for me every single day. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Y'all, I have several blue chopping mats and several pairs of scissors that are just grimed over with glue. Some of the scissors really don't work well because they have glue on them. And I have tried and tried and tried to clean these with various products. Never had much luck. Y'all, I'm shaking my head today because I am in disbelief in how well I have been able to clean my chopping mats and clean my scissors. My scissors look brand new. My chopping mat looks brand new, with the exception of some of the nick marks that come from me using the finger blade. But it is amazing what I have been able to do. And I'm going to flip to my overhead because I want to show you guys the difference in my chopping mats. Now I have really zoomed in because I want you to see how clean this mat is. This mat did not look like this yesterday. This mat looked like this mat yesterday. Can you see the grime in this mat? This is how this one looked, but it doesn't look like this anymore. In fact, I have already started cleaning this side of my mat so you can see the difference. Here is the side that I have been cleaning. Here is the side that needs to be cleaned. You can see the line of separation from clean to caked on with glue over here. Y'all, this is how this looked about an hour ago. And on these scissors, you can see that I have grime and glue on the points, and they stick when I try to use them. These scissors were the same way about an hour ago. Look at the shine on these scissors, first of all, but look at how clean my blades are. And look at how well they work. And inside of my fist is the reason why I was able to clean this side of the mat, and I'm going to be able to clean this side of the mat. What am I using? I am using this product. And I'm going to try to put it against the white because you'll be able to see it better. But I am using this product right here. It's called Remover. And it is designed to remove lace front wig tape or glue, as well as toupee tape. When I was on Amazon, I was actually looking for something for Mike. And this popped up. Mike does not wear a toupee. I don't wear a wig. Don't know why it popped up, but it did. And I thought, okay, I am going to try this just to see if it will make a difference. Because I was thinking, well, if it can loosen the glue that's used to attach a toupee or a wig, then perhaps it might break through some of the glue that I have on my desk. And it does. And all I did was on the spots where I had horrible glue stains, I put this down. And you see me putting it here. I'm going to put some right up there at the top. I'm just going to slide this over. And this little bottle goes a long way. I have actually cleaned 4 mats and 3 pairs of scissors. So this little $8 bottle is working well for me. And then what I did was I took one of those cheapo magic erasers, and I'm just going to spread this out so that that remover can really get down in and penetrate the glue. So on the instructions, it said you could let this sit on for about 15 minutes. I decided I would let mine sit for at least an hour before I tried to remove any of this. So that is what I'm going to do here. We have our application down. We let this sit for about an hour, and then we'll come back and we'll work it off together. So with my scissors, what I found was that if I had enough of that remover on my little eraser here, it would very quickly remove the glue that's on my scissors. And I'm going to show you this. I'm doing this real time so that y'all can see this magic taking place. I'm just doing some very light scrubbing. And now I'm going to grab a paper towel and we're just going to wipe away. Look at those scissors. You don't see anything on these scissors, and look at how well they work. I'm not a chemist and I don't play one on TV, but whatever the formulation is in this remover, it actually works to remove built up glue on our crafty materials. So this was just a small pair of scissors. I've got layer upon layer of built up glue on this, so I am going to let this sit for an hour. We'll come back and we're going to clean it. All right, y'all, so it's been an hour. We are just going to take this little scrubber here. And I don't know if y'all can see this, but my goodness, I'm sure you can. Look at how that glue is coming up. And I didn't even go a full hour. I actually went about 47 minutes, but I was ready to start working this. So then you just keep scrubbing and scrubbing until you have the desired look that you want. Now you can see that as I'm scrubbing, I do have some fading right in here with some of the grid marks, and that's okay because I now have a fully refurbished mat that I can use on camera. This one was looking awful, so I did replace it, and then I replaced the one that I replaced it with. And unfortunately, I can't keep replacing mats, so this is going to be a real money saver for me because I truly cannot afford to keep replacing mats or keep buying new scissors because my others are gunked and grimed with glue. So can you guys see this mat now? Y'all remember what it looked like before I actually started working on it. We had this one side that was clean, and then we had this side that was grimy and gunky. Look at this mat now. Totally different look. Now I will need to go over the mat and clean it with some soapy water to get the oily feeling off because there is some type of oil in this little bottle. But once I do that, I have another clean mat, and I now have a way of cleaning a lot of dirty scissors. So if you're interested in this little miracle bottle, I will have a link in the description box. And what I'm about to say now is not being said to encourage a fear of missing out purchase. I'm saying this because what I've seen in the past is when I have an item that has some popularity on Amazon, the price goes way up. I think I paid $8.69 for this 1 fluid ounce bottle, and it's a lot. A little goes a long way. But should this become popular on Amazon, history has shown the price will go up and up and up. So if you have dirty scissors or a dirty mat and you're looking for a way to clean them, this is what I use. Now, are there other ways to clean your mats and scissors to get that like new look? There sure are. I just haven't found them, but I'll bet you guys have. So share the ways that you remove glue once it's hardened on your scissors or your mat or anything else. So guys, I hope that you have found this Tuesday tip to be helpful. And believe me when I say, I'm not an overly excitable person. I get excited. I enjoy things, but I'm excited about this. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.